Can you wear your raw natural fussy hair to a corporate summit and still look elegant and professional? Absolutely. I was recently invited to the Northwest Women Mediators Summit 2026 here in Bamenda, Cameroon. But when I arrived at the Saint Joseph Metropolitan Cathedral Hall in Mankon, I hit a major roadblock. My name wasn't on the official registration list. Today, I'm sharing the behind-the-scenes story of how I made it inside the summit hall and exactly how I bred my natural colors to command respect in a room full of dignitaries. When I walked into the cathedral grounds, the atmosphere was busy. Because I didn't register online beforehand, I had to wait for about 45 minutes at the desk. I wasn't alone. Many other amazing women were in the same category. Eventually, the coordinators called me up and I manually signed my identity onto the registration forms. They handed me this official summit bag, containing a participant badge, the summit notebook, and all of these. I was then ushered straight into the main hall. As a first-time attendee, I was so focused on absorbing the incredible environment that I only took a few quick clips. But the energy in that room was unforgettable. Here we are inside the summit at the Saint Joseph Metropolitan Cathedral. Local women mediators, traditional rulers, public officials, international development partners are here to discuss mediation and peace building.
All across the nation, all around the world, women are longing to be free, no longer in the shadow, forced to stay behind, but side by side in true equality. So sing a song for women everywhere. Let it ring around the world and never cease. So sing a song for women everywhere. It is development and peace.
Walking through this multi-dimensional crowd, I received so many compliments on my natural hair. Many women asked what product I used to get this shine. It proves that our natural hair belongs in high-level diplomatic spaces. Kindly like the video and share it with that Afro sister who wants to proudly wear her natural crown to any event. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now let's get into exactly how I prepped and styled this crown to ensure it stayed neat, attention-grabbing, and professional throughout the event without a single extension. To make fussy hair look office-ready, you must first of all manage its elasticity. Few days ago, I washed and deep conditioned my hair using my handcrafted herbal hair wash and deep conditioner. Then I applied my scalp cream, leave-in conditioner, and moisturizing sealant and kept my hair in twist. If you want to see how I did that, leave a comment below and I will film a video on that. Today before I styled, I sprayed my hair with my DIY water-based botanical spray to make my hair damp. Then I apply my handcrafted gel to add more moisture and give a glittering appearance to the final look. I covered my hair with a plastic wrap for about 10 minutes for the moisture to seep into the hair strands. Because our hair pattern is tightly coiled, if you do not lock in moisture before a long day event, your hair will dry up and look frizzy by midday. Notice how soft and pliable the hair becomes once the moisture is locked in. Now for the styling. I'm creating a low manipulation roll tuck and pin style that keeps the ends hidden. Tucking your ends protects them from friction against your collars. As a biochemist, I know that mechanical breakage from constant combing destroys your length. The styling took me less than 30 minutes, requires zero heat, and gives a dignified, clean corporate look, perfect for any boardroom or church venue. If you want to heal your scalp or proudly embrace the beauty of your Afro crown, you are in the right place. I'm currently compiling all my scientific botanical recipes into a complete digital guide to help you heal your scalp from home. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below. What is your biggest challenge when styling your natural hair for formal events? See you in the next video. But before you go, remember this: your natural hair is not a burden to be hidden, but a beauty to be revealed.